Accomplish multiple tasks with the versatile Craftsman V20 20-volt max oscillating tool. This tool comes with 11 accessories, and the universal accessories can be quickly changed with a tool-free design. Variable speeds allow for maximum control in application, and the LED light helps provide illumination in dark work areas. Plus, it can be easily hung up and out of the way when the job is done. Ready to take on your next project? The well-rounded Craftsman V20 Max oscillating tool is the one you want by your side.
Introducing Porter Cable's new 20-volt max lithium-ion oscillating tool, PCC710B, part of the new growing link system of high-performance tools. Featuring the patent-pending tool-free blade change system, makes accessory changes quick and easy. A variable speed dial delivers 8,000 to 18,000 oscillations per minute for optimized performance and control. This tool features a comfortable 3-position overmold, allowing users to work with less vibration and fatigue. A powerful LED work light brightens dark work areas and includes 20 assorted cutting, sanding, scraping, and grinding accessories. 20-volt Max Compact and Max Pack lithium-ion batteries are compatible with the tool. Both the Compact and the Max Pack batteries deliver the power and runtime needed for the job. 20-volt Max oscillating tool delivers performance, ease of use, and value demanded on the job site. As part of the new line of Porter Cable 20-volt Max linked system tools, it delivers the power you need at the price you want.
Let's walk through the Fomey EasyWeld 100 ST. This is a stick and TIG welder. Stick welding is a welding process that uses a consumable electrode to lay a bead. TIG, or tungsten inert gas welding, uses a tungsten electrode and an inert gas like argon. It's often thought of as the more difficult process to learn due to increased hand-eye coordination. In one hand you have your TIG torch, in the other you're using a filler metal to lay a bead. However, you don't always have to use a filler metal, as it's optional. This machine runs off of 120 volt input and produces 90 amps output. This machine comes with a ground clamp, electrode holder, and the TIG torch is sold separately. You want to make sure the ground clamp is attached to a metal workbench or the actual metal you'll be working with. To do TIG welding, you need to use an inert shielding gas like 100% argon. You will need to use a Type 9 torch with a 25 DINS connector and a valve on the torch. These do not come with the machine and can be purchased separately. For stick welding, it's very important to choose the right electrode. I recommend the Fomey E6013 electrode. It's easy to strike and performs well on most steel applications. When you're ready to weld, use the process selector switch to select between TIG or stick welding. Use the amperage dial to select your amperage based on the recommended settings for the material thickness you're using. And remember, this machine can weld between 16 gauge up to 5/16 inch. When welding, you want to get into a very comfortable body position. Lean over the piece, brace your arm, and control the movement of the electrode very carefully. Don't hold it in the air so it wobbles. You want to support your weight and be in control. Remember to control the travel speed as well. Think of this like controlling the speed when you're driving. Next, pay attention to the stick out. The stick out is the distance between the metal and the end of your electrode. This is similar to controlling the following distance from the car in front of you. Lastly, focus on the path. You want a nice and consistent weld, similar to staying in the lane when you're driving. Welding takes practice. If you're in control and monitor all of your variables, it becomes second nature. Let's show you some examples of some test welds. Traveling too fast looks like this. Too slow looks like this. Amperage setting too high looks like this. Don't forget to clean your weld with a slag hammer and a wire brush. That sums up our Fomey EasyWeld 100 ST. It's a powerful little machine that gets the job done for all of your stick and TIG welding needs. It's great for hobbyists, DIY, and maintenance and repair, and it comes with a 6-month warranty.
Hi, I'm Shane with Hobart Welding Products. Today we're going to take a look at the Hobart Handler 140. This is a 115 volt, 140 amp wire feed welder. Features a 10-foot MIG gun. Also comes with a heavy duty ground clamp and 10-foot cable. This unit comes with a roll of flux core wire so you can weld right out of the box. Or it also includes the regulator and gas hose so you can switch over to MIG if you desire. Taking a look inside the Handler 140, you'll notice the welding setup chart that makes setting your machine up properly very easy. And if we look at the industrial grade cast aluminum drive system with quick release, that also makes changeovers very quick. It also has the polarity with easy access, so you can change from flux core to MIG very easily also. This machine, we have the small 2-pound roll-on, but you can also run the 8-inch spool, and it also comes with this adapter. Taking a look at the front of the Handler 140, you'll notice the slope control panel for easy visibility. Also features infinite control on your wire feed speed, and 5 tap settings allowing you to go down to 24 gauge steel and up to 1/4 inch steel. This machine also features a thermal overload protection light. In case this machine gets too hot, it will shut down and save the machine from any damage.
You will experience excellent arc performance from the Handler 140 with a smooth, stable arc on all thicknesses. Designed and assembled in Troy, Ohio, USA, and backed by a 531 industrial warranty to protect your investment.
Hello everyone, this is Scott from LOTOS Technology. Today I'd like to introduce you to the LOTOS MIG 140, a 140 amp MIG welder used to create industrial results at an affordable price. Its portability and lightweight makes it perfect for the home user. Now I'm going to set it up and then we'll run some test welds. that's it for today. Thanks for watching. For the latest news, you can check out our website at www.lotostechnology.com, or you can subscribe to our channel.
Thanks for watching, and I hope you liked the video. If you found the video helpful, please remember to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I will get back to you as soon as I can.